It's the end of the year, the holidays are around the corner, and this means two things. First of all, we have made new Nürburgring sweaters, the traditional ones and also very exclusive merino wool ones. Go to nürburgring.com, enter Misha Christmas 25 code to get additional 10% discounts on all the products. The sweaters, the books, the socks. What else do we have? Some more will be added actually soon. We're going to be having calendars. But for that, subscribe, stay tuned, and most importantly, enjoy the content. Hyundai KonaN. It's a car I've been trying to drive for ever since it came out, because my love for Hyundai and products, I think it speaks for itself over the years. And it's finally here. Here we go. So thank you very much for bringing it by and offering the drive. So, ooh, blue pads. Is that endless or is DBC? EBC blue. Also good, also happy.
I hope they work.
They work. EBC blue works definitely. The favorite color of the three. So green, no. Yellow, okay. Blue, yes. Yeah, we are also on PS4S tires. That's also very good. Power-wise, I guess similar to the i30N 275, or how much is it?
Horsepower?
Yeah.
I have stage 1.
Okay.
360 horsepower now.
Okay.
We have
Nice.
KW V3 coilover.
Nice.
I have another downpipe for the
Okay.
Motorsport.
Wow. So it's far from stock.
Yeah, then a few parts, front lip, side skirt, a little spoiler,
yeah.
rear diffuser.
Nice.
And yeah, pads and stage 1.
Very cool. I'm excited. That's kind of all to it. We can have a look from the front, from the side. It looks very
The
pretty.
open air intake from Piper Plus is also.
Okay, so we're gonna have some whistles.
Yes.
Then we have duct tape and for the speedometer cam, and very nice interior. All right, let's hop in, take the duct tape off the roof, and go for a lap. Yay! Alright, made it on the track. What we didn't mention in the introduction, it's your first time in real life.
Yes. I only drive in Assetto Corsa with motion sim.
Nice.
But this will be different, so.
Should be fun. Oh, looking forward to it. Time to catch up. Is he putting stuff in his trunk? Yeah, okay, so then it's finished.
It's very impressive.
Yeah, the car is very impressive.
I didn't know that my car can do that. I don't drive like that.
Welche Motor hast du? Welche Motor? What engine?
I come to you.
Huh? You come to me? Okay. Yeah, thank
Thanks
you.
for the lap. It was fun. What do
Was-
you think about the car?
Car is amazing, like the handling is great. We were towards the end, we're now almost 3 bar of tire pressure, so yeah, that was a bit a lot. The braking system was the limiting factor, so a bit better pads, or like even I would say even bigger brake calipers, because it's, yeah, you still have to deal with quite some weight. But it was very nice.
What do you think, the tires are good or with...
Tires are good. I think tires are super nice because you can actually play with the car, because it has good enough grip on low and high speed, and mid corners you can actually like play with it nicely.
Okay, so no semi-slick? Or...
Not needed. If you're doing that, then you need stiffer suspension probably, and definitely need better brakes.